In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image fade on Canva. Whether you're preparing a presentation, designing a social media post, or working on a creative project, learning how to make an image fade can add a professional touch to your visual content. Let's get started. First, head over to your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the option to either create a new design or open any of your recent designs. For today's tutorial, I'll dive right into a recent design. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for where you'll be applying the image fading effect. Now, with your design open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Apps. This section is a wonderful resource within Canva, packed with various tools that can enhance your projects with added functionality and effects. In the Apps section, there's a tool called Easy Reflection that we'll be using. Use the search bar at the top to type in Easy Reflection, and once you've located it, go ahead and open it. This tool will provide the effect we're aiming for and is fairly straightforward to use. With the Easy Reflection app open, click on the image you want to apply the fade effect to. A toolbar should appear with the option Create Reflection. By selecting this, you initiate the process that allows you to manipulate the image's appearance, giving it a faded look that balances your design beautifully. At this stage, you have the opportunity to adjust the image to your liking. Pay attention to the positioning, opacity, and offset. These adjustments are the key to perfecting your fade effect. Move the sliders around to see how they change the appearance of your image. The opacity slider, in particular, is crucial because it dictates how faded your image will appear. Once you've played around and are satisfied with the look of your fade, finalize it by clicking on Add to Design. This action will embed the newly edited image into your Canvas project. You might want to make further tweaks, but once added, you'll see that your image now carries that polished, faded effect, which helps it either stand out or blend in seamlessly, depending on your design goals. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a fade effect to an image in Canva. This feature can really elevate your design, adding depth and visual interest. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident in sprucing up your Canva designs with image fade effects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!